All right, nice big box here. Let's see what's in it. An invoice. Zinc and Copy Cad anode. Bucket lid. There's all sorts of stuff in here. Let's pull this out. Buckets. Another bucket lid. Cool hat. And it looks like instructions. All right, let's see what I got. So this, as you could probably figure out from the cool hat, this is the Caswell electroplating Copy Cad system that I decided to go in on. If you've ever watched Mike's restorations, he's restored, or has restored, I guess, past tense now, in early 1967, I believe, 9/11. He used this stuff to very good effect, being able to restore original hardware and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty important to me. One, the new stuff that you get, now is not as good quality as the original stuff. And I just like to keep parts, and it's a science project, so, that's kind of cool. So let me get everything unbagged here, and I'll show you all what I got. All right, what I got here is Caswell's 3-gallon kit. That was another recommendation that Mike put out, is to go with the bigger kit, along with some extra stuff. And essentially what I've got here is you get with the original kit without any extras here. So what you got here is the zinc solution. And then here you got, this is part A and then part B here. So each one does 1.5 gallons. So I ordered 3 gallons, so I get 2 of everything. So this is the Copy Cad zinc concentrate. Along with this stuff, you get a brightener additive, and you get a brush. I don't even know where I'd put that on. Probably for a bench grinder, but I think my bench grinder is too big for that. And then you get an air pump. I also invested in blue chromate concentrate and black chromate concentrate. The black I'm going to use for stuff on the motor. And the blue is what kind of gives you that nice blue bright finish. What you're going to see pretty much everywhere else. So I've heard that the air pump is not that great, and I think a couple of people have said they used it for 10 minutes and it stopped working. But the air pump is to obviously agitate everything. Oh, and I also got the zinc anodes, so that's obviously important because that's what makes it all work. So that's the whole kit there. Not cheap. This is probably about $300, 300 and some odd after shipping and all. But did some calls around and everything for figuring out how much this stuff is going to cost me. One, they do the stuff in batches, and you've got to get a minimum weight. Doesn't matter if you don't have the minimum weight; they still charge you for whatever their weight is. And I was looking, I think, $200 for just point of entry, not including shipping. There's unfortunately, nobody around me. I'm in the quiet corner of southeastern Connecticut. Not really any industrial guys around here. I'm lucky to have a machine shop. So I was going to have to send something back towards Hartford or whatever. So dealing with the shipping, though, flat rate box, whatever. And they just kind of put it in a big pile and then send it back to you. So you would have to then go through and figure everything out. And just this made more sense to me to be able to do small batches and take care of stuff and do it kind of on my own pace, as well as, again, the science project side of it, which is kind of cool. You also need a power supply. I already had a power supply. You guys have seen that, me use that when testing my electrical system on my Spitfire, among other things. So that'll be it. And then you need some other things, which I'll get into more when I actually get into this. But I wanted to just kind of throw this out there, show you guys that I got this kit. Pretty excited about it. Try to get a couple batches done here before winter sets in and it starts getting too cold down here. Look at getting an aquarium heater maybe and all that kind of stuff. But otherwise, pretty happy about this Caswell kit. So again, I'm not sponsored by him. It'd be awesome, but I am going to wear the hat for a little while. And there you go. So thanks so much for watching. Wish me luck with this stuff. We'll get back into it here soon and show you how it goes. Have a good rest of your day. Cheers.